Hey everybody, so my name is Don, and this is the beginning of what we would like to think is a pretty big adventure for our family. This is my house. I live here with my wife Amy and our 5 kids, and we've lived here for a few years, and I don't know, we're getting a little restless. Forgive the Quidditch hoops. We had a little birthday party this weekend, but we have decided that we don't spend enough time together, and we're too busy dealing with life and everything that comes along with it, whether it's jobs and school and all those kind of things. My wife's a homeschool mom, and my kids are all homeschooled. My oldest is 10, actually just turned 11, and my youngest is 3, and we're super busy. So what we've done is we bought this guy. This is our new RV, and it's only new in the sense of the word because it's new to us. It is not new at all. It's a 1998 Itasca Sunflyer made by Winnebago, and it's perfect for us. We got a really good deal on it, and it needs a ton of work, and that's kind of what we're going to be doing with this little YouTube channel, is for a short time kind of chronicle the work that we're putting into this thing, and then we are going to do a little more than that. And our hope is, what our plan is to just kind of spend time together as a family and make time and make memories that nobody will be ever to take away from us.
Going out to see the RV for the first time. Here it is. Wow, cool, right? Except it smells like cat pee and there's hair everywhere and a dead wasp in the front seat. It needs a lot of work. The door's pretty torn apart, but we'll fix it.
For the first time. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead in. You can go in now. You want to drive in it? Sure. Go ahead in.
Yay, take a look at it.
You drive it.
It smells like cat pee.
Yeah, it does kind of, doesn't it?
Oh my gosh,
It's a little dark in here.
you smell bumblebees? Is there a light?
There's no cup holder in the table. I was excited.
Is there lights? Wait, no, porch, step, ceiling.
Yeah, so it needs work. The work
Right.
will be done by the best builder ever, Daddy.
I don't want to eat. You don't want to eat? Doesn't sound like you. And maybe we could paint the door whatever color we do this, so it kind of like ties it in, you know?
Daddy.
What, buddy? So, this is our RV. My wife calls her Brave Winnie, and she needs a ton of work. Basically gut everything from this RV inside and out and completely change her around and make her right for our family. We have 5 kids, so RVs aren't really designed for families like ours, but we're going to try to customize her to make it comfortable for us. Let me take you inside the RV and give you a little tour and show you what we have in store for us. The smell's pretty bad in here, so luckily you're on the other end of YouTube here. You won't have to smell this, so come on inside. Here she is, old school TV hanging out. Got a couch, that's our blanket that we use to sit down on there and have a little excursion the other night to test her out. But yeah, she's in need of a lot of work.
Oh my gosh, it stinks. Stairs come out like that. And it is got a purple rug. We tossed some blankets on the couch because it really was gross. These are covered, but I know it doesn't seem like much, but once we were driving it last night in the beautiful weather with the windows open, it was so nice. It really felt, I don't even know how to explain it, we're flying. There's this dinette that the kids were all on. They all fit on it because this one seat's bigger, but we're tearing it out, so we have to repurpose it. We're tearing out the kitchen. Everything else, we're just going to reconfigure all this we're just gonna reconfigure. Like, I don't know what this is and why it has to be wood and why it can't be a, you know, another door space and whatever. So we're gonna work that with IKEA. We'll do the magic of IKEA. There's more storage up here. This is like kind of a cool cabinet. It slides out and like, he left his tuna. I mean, this is really, seriously, it's like such a fixer. But all your canned goods. So it's like as big as a pantry for canned stuff. So that's good.
A refrigerator. A little stinky right now because it was left closed. That's wonderful. Our little bathtub here, which is pretty cool. The toilet, which that'll be fun to take care of and break down, I guess.
Okay, and then this room is the bedroom. I don't know how to turn on the lights with the generator not on. I don't think I can, but this will be gutted. So we're going to take all this out, and this will be a bunkhouse. There's like a walk-in, they call it, because there you could step into it, closet in here. So this will be, you know, really utilized as best we can for clothes, for a family of clothes. But under their bunk beds, we're going to make a ton of storage, drawers and stuff. So what we're planning is a bunk set over here, space in the middle, bunk set over here, storage underneath, and then either a bunk for Peaky along here, or we'll turn one of these bunks into a double, like a, not even a double, like a little bit bigger than a twin for Penny and Peaky, and then make this all storage here, and like leave the window. Obviously all the window coverings are coming off, and when we paint all the walls and we do the floors, we're tearing up all this really bad flooring and putting in, you know, vinyl. I think vinyl's best for all weather. It'll really look different, but it, honestly, it feels, when we were in it as our family, it felt so much bigger than I thought it would feel. So when we like rework it and everything's new and it smells good and it's just like our stuff and everything smells brand new, we're getting things like the seats. They're not that bad. They really aren't. He's had them covered with whatever this is. We're going to get some leather seat covers, really nice ones for those. We're tearing out all the flooring here, or the carpeting, and we have to figure out what to do there.
I took down
you know?
the for sale sign because it seems like she's going to be for sale.
Yeah, you took down the for sale sign. So it was listed. Here we go. Here's the specs on it. 8.5.
Yeah.
1988,
No.
34 feet, 3,800 miles. That's original miles. That's not bad. Don talked him down to 6. Whoops. To 6, which is amazing. First he wasn't budging, then he called him, and I can't believe he took it because it's really worth a lot more. In 1998, it sold for $101,000. Can you believe that?
Mommy,
Yes, ma'am.
can I close this and then open it?
Sure. You want to demonstrate how that works for Aunt Mindy? Okay, and then open them back up. Last night we left them down while we were driving because we totally have a lot to
Penny
learn.
knows how to close the stairs.
But
Yeah,
so
look.
like this, you know, this is it, and it's
You see this button?
it's great. It's perfect for
Push it and look.
sleeping, and for it's really comfortable for travel, and we hope it works. We're praying over the engine, which is right under here. Don's foot was really hot driving it last night, but you know what he said? It drove so easy. That's a backup camera with night vision, and you can just back it up. It's really, he said it's not that bad. It really was easy unless he had to pass a car, and then it got a little bit crazy. But, all right, no more playing with that. No more playing with that. That cannot break.
When it come in, I forgot that we could do the RV.
It's really hot in here because the generator's not on. I opened the windows.
What's a generator?
So anyway,
See, it smells better now.
are you guys excited for your trip?
Oh, yeah.
This is the driver's console for our project RV. Needs a lot of work. So after we pulled off the blankets that they had up here protecting the plastic, it's pretty dirty under here. A lot of this stuff I want to get rid of. So this thing came from Arizona, so I'm really hoping that there's no like scorpions anywhere. Ouch, that was close. But we're gonna get this stuff like deep cleaned because can't live like this.
Got foil right there. This door was replaced because scarily enough, she was broken into at one point. So we are gonna like put beadboard on the door and do something with this, and we're painting the outside.
But altogether, she has 38,000 miles, which really isn't that bad at all. She's got some issues. So she's not that pretty to look at right now, but in the immortal words of Bruce Springsteen, show a little faith, there's magic in the night. She's not a beauty, but hey, she's all right, and that's all right with me. So I hope this first episode of our YouTube series, of our YouTube channel, was enough to pique your curiosity, was interesting enough to make you want to check in on us and see how we're doing. So if you're that person, we'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel, like our video, and even leave some comments below. Let us know you watched. Give us some of your ideas if you've ever done this before. We'd love to hear your plans if you're thinking about doing this in the future with your family. In later episodes, we'll get to meet my family. You'll meet Amy and all the kids. You'll see some more of the projects that we're doing. And we promise to include the good, the bad, and the ugly. We're just not going to sugarcoat this to make us look like the perfect family or the handiest people or RV experts or anything. We're just going to open ourselves up and let you guys have a peek into this crazy project that we're doing and the crazy adventure that we plan on going on. So we're not going to do it right all the time, and we're not going to do it wrong all the time. So keep your comments nice below. This is a family channel, and we'd love to hear from you guys. So please drop us a line below in the comments, subscribe and like our channel, and we'll see you guys around.